Believe it or not, guys, but Bitcoin right now is in preparation of a massive dump. Bitcoin most likely is going to dump, and in today's video I'm going to tell you why I think that Bitcoin is going to dump over the next coming days and weeks ahead. And better, guys, save this message because this is going to be a very straightforward prediction. So let's jump straight into it. And of course, before we are jumping into it, make sure that you scroll below this video, smash up that like button, guys. That is very much appreciated. For every single one of you that's interested in trading Bitcoin, guys, I have a couple of exchanges down below this video with an affiliate link. And if you join one of these platforms using my affiliate link, you can get an additional bonus. And at this specific moment, BitGet is by far the best exchange out there. If you join with the affiliate link down below, you will get a 10% cashback on your first deposit. You don't need any KYC. You can get up to $5,000 deposit bonus, and you will get access to WhaleAlerts, guys. That is crazy amount of advantages that you get for just joining BitGet right here. Also, the thing is, earlier today I've recorded a video about the 5 altcoins I think are looking very, very good for 2023 or this bull market. And BitGet is also the exchange which is offering the most trading pairs and offering all of these artificial intelligence altcoins and BRC20 tokens. So guys, if you don't have an account yet over on BitGet, make sure to join BitGet right now. So guys, when we have a look at Bitcoin, then we can see that, we are basically still trading within that falling wedge formation, and we just bounced off from that support. That bounce was not so strong. And when we have a look at Will Portal, we do not see that much bullish signs. So we have already for a very long time the average funding fee is positive. Right now it's coming slowly down. That is something I want to mention right here. We have the premium index going up, going to the 0 mark, kind of bearish signal as well. We have the take buy sell ratio trading below the green line right here. It is all not bullish. All the signs on Will Portal are not bullish. However, there might be a very small push to the upside in the shorter term time frame. I expect over the next coming days for Bitcoin to roll over, to break this support, and to see a massive dump where the sentiment will be resetting. I've been saying in previous videos it is possible to have a rounded bottom. I still think that that is a possibility, but it's just less likely to happen. I think it really makes sense right here for Bitcoin to come down. Also, when we have a look at the moon cycles, we can see that we are going to complete soon this full moon cycle, which will end with a new moon. And new moons normally, as you guys know from my previous video, generally tends to be a bearish event. I know it might sound weird that moon cycles might have a correlation with the Bitcoin price. And guys, it's not weird that you can use planets to analyze the price. William Delbert again did that too. Because what do planets do? Planets, they move in a specific, very predictable way, which basically means that they just represent the wheels of time. Right, same like we are looking at our calendar in terms of months, or when it is day, or when it is night, or when it is this week or that week. Everything is based on time, right? Our calendar is based on time. The way the moon turns is based on time. In September, we always have a bearish month. Most of the time, every September is a bearish month. That is based on the calendar. It's just always in September bearish. Maybe 90% of the chance is bearish. And this is also basically how this works. New moon, most of the time, is bearish. Why? I don't know. It's just the wheels of time. It's a rhythmic kind of rhythm that we are seeing in the markets. But most of the time after a new moon, price is going down. So new moon is starting very, very soon. I'm expecting, based on time, the price to come down. And I think everything aligns. Derivatives exchange data is not bullish at all. So I think we are going to see a massive Bitcoin dump very, very soon. If you want to trade that dump, if you want to short this dump, make sure to do so on BitGet. Join with the affiliate link down below this video, guys. That is very much appreciated. You'll also get access to WhaleAlerts, where we will be sharing for sure what to do whenever this is dumping, where to long, and what are we actually doing. Also, which altcoins we are buying at this specific level, because of course, when Bitcoin will drop into this red box, based on time, not based on level, when Bitcoin will drop, that will bring a lot of opportunity along with it, right? Because when there's so much panic with Bitcoin, we might going to see one last shakeout into altcoins. And yeah, if you are into altcoins, that would be a moment that you most likely want to accumulate that altcoin that you are looking at already for some time. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. If so, smash up that like button, guys. If you are new, make sure to subscribe. Down below, make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. If you want to join the free Telegram channel, we also have a free Telegram channel. It is in the description down below. But for the real pros, you got to join WhaleAlerts. And I got already multiple messages from people that WhaleAlerts and Whale Portal changed their life, the way they look at the markets, and that they get a better grip on trading. And that's the whole goal of all of this. The goal is that you can wake up and that you can be very, very certain about a certain outcome, or that you can at least be more certain than what you can normally be when just looking at price structure. Okay, guys, I wish you all a beautiful day, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.